Hello, and I'm going to show you how to use and install Endless Space's uh, Galaxy Map Density or Galaxy Density Map mod. So first you have to go to the forums for Amplitude Studios. It is in Endless Space Modding Galaxy Density Map mod. So you download it, the link says it can do harm, but you want to keep it anyways. It's okay. So now we have it right here. So we're going to put it on our clipboard, copy, and then we're going to go open up our computer. So we have my computer, local disk. You need to navigate to where your Steam files are, Steam apps, and then you go to common, endless space. There's a folder called public. Then you go to Galaxy Generator. You rename your current one to old Galaxy Generator plugin.dll or Galaxy plugin or generator plugin.old or anything. Just keep a backup of it. And then you replace it with the one you just downloaded. And now what it does is when it uses these images to create a galaxy, like the galaxy structure, it now uses these images also to like for density. So as you can see, I will open up I'll open up this one in Paint. So as you can see, it's black, it's gray here, and then there's white in the center. Black means the least dense, like or the least density, while white is the highest density. Gray is in between, and you can do different values of gray. So you could do that gray, you could do this gray. It's all up to you what gray you want. But the white, the brighter it is, the more white it is, the denser. The darker it is, the more black, the less dense. So also colors do not work. This will not work. It has to either be black or white. So if you're using Paint or something, then make sure you just send it all the way, your little color selection, you move it all the way to the bottom anywhere, because this is either black or white, and then you use this. This will help you, this will go and help you do it. So at the top it's the most dense, all the way down here it's the least dense. So as we can see here, the little spirals, these are going to be about medium density. The very center is going to be the most dense, and the outer parts in between the spirals aren't going to be very dense at all. So there's not going to be many solar systems out here. There's going to be a good number in the spirals and a lot in the center. And then once you edit it, you can save it. You can save it into here. I suggest you rename your old ones to be like Galaxy Spiral 2 density.old to keep it backup, just in case you want to mess with them in the future. As you can see here with this one, I did a gradient. So it's good, like whoever starts over here is going to be at an advantage than over here. It was just a test to see if gradients work, and they do. And then this one here, I also did a test. I made it really dark and then super dense in the center, and what that turned out to be is it was sort of like a starfish, because like in the very center there was a whole bunch of solar systems, and then there was just a few branching out off of that, and then there was a small region that was like connected through a wormhole. It was actually pretty cool. I like the effect that it had. So now once you've done that, the Galaxy Generator density mapping is installed, and when you start up your game, it will load the density maps, and when it creates your galaxies, if you make a new game, then it will create it based on the density. I can't really show it to you because it would take a while, because I'd have to go actually explore the entire galaxy, so I'll leave that exploration up to you. If I get any pictures, I will post them in the forums thread. For the people who are paranoid, I did a virus scan of the .dll and I posted it. You're welcome to do it yourself. It will not affect your system in any way. All it is it's the one that comes with the game with a slight modification to it that uses the density maps. The density maps are included in the game. They're right here for you, and half of them are already done. Like all of they come this way. These 5 I haven't edited. These 2 I edited a bit. So they already come with a bit of a density map to it. There's instructions on the forums about what colors to use, and you can vary in between complete 0 to complete 255. So enjoy, and buy Endless Space.